Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cities Skylines on Mac. First, confirm your Mac meets the game's minimum system requirements, including processor, RAM, and graphics card. Next, ensure your Mac OS is fully updated for the best compatibility and performance. Finally, purchase and download Cities Skylines from a reliable platform like Steam or the Mac App Store. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. To optimize your Cities Skylines experience on Mac, start by adjusting the in-game graphics settings. Reducing resolutions and detail levels can significantly boost your frame rate. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up valuable system resources and RAM. Also, consider using a cooling pad or ensuring good airflow around your Mac to prevent overheating during extended gameplay. These steps will help maintain smooth performance. Once you're in the game, mastering keyboard shortcuts will greatly enhance your efficiency in building and managing your city. Explore the vast array of community-created mods and assets, but always download them from trusted sources to ensure compatibility and stability. Remember to save your game frequently, especially before making major changes or trying new mods. This simple habit can prevent frustration and protect your hard-earned progress. For advanced play, delve into complex traffic management strategies to keep your city flowing smoothly, like using one-way roads and public transport. Experiment with different district specializations, such as industrial or commercial zones, to optimize your city's economy and citizen happiness. And hey, while you're building your dream city, remember to stay refreshed. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Happy city building.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.